Windows 10 is what's known as a managed operating system. That is when you go to bed, Microsoft comes in and updates your operating system software. And sometimes this has unexpected results. So one of the advances from Windows 7 to 10 has been the addition of multi-screen systems. Windows real estate is bigger, stronger, and just a little more complicated to use. For TurboCASH, it works in a stable encapsulated Windows 32 environment, and we have a very strong database first policy. And that means when we work, we use a single document interface or an SDI. And this is how TurboCASH integrates with the Firebird database. So take, for example, the process of printing an external report, a PDF report. We transfer the modal control to the report writer. And now we insist on you completing that you close the window before returning to processing TurboCASH. We wouldn't want you printing a report and then changing the underlying data so that what comes out in the report is not what's in the books. So to stop this possible conflict, we introduced the modal box, which stops the counting process and waits for you to respond. And until you close that modal box, TurboCASH does not proceed. This can be annoying because it breaks the workflow, but it is the best way to ensure that your books stay in balance and the accounting process works. Now click anywhere else in the TurboCASH program and it will appear that TurboCASH is hanging. In fact, everything's functioning fine, we're just waiting for you to close the modal box. Now it's even worse if that modal box is not showing. It then appears that the only way that I can get TurboCASH to start again is to reboot with the task manager. In fact, there's an easier way. Simply click on any open area in your taskbar, right click, and you can it'll bring up a sub-menu, and you can now use show windows stacked, and it'll display the windows in a slightly different way. And you can see that we have two of them here, the original one and the modal, the report which I must now close. I'm now back, and TurboCASH is now working again. So it's not hanging, it's just transferring to a separate window in Windows 10. Go find that window.